This week is my 7th Pause by Mind box. The clue for this month is TM. I couldn't think of too much, but maybe tea making? Will this box just contain some fancy tea bags? Let's see what's in the box. First, we have this card confirming that this box's theme is tea making, but that we will be making our own tea bag. Inside the tissue paper, we have a square cloth, which looks kind of like a fine cheesecloth. Some white and blue stripy string. And this booklet with instructions on how to make the tea bag and 4 different tea blend recipes. Finally, we have this card that says that making something from scratch can be very fulfilling, which I totally agree with. Now, I'm going to be honest here. I recorded this a few days before Christmas, and there is no way I'm going to the shop to buy tea ingredients to make a single tea bag when people are fighting over the last bag of potatoes. I also feel like I'm going to have to buy a lot of ingredients to try out this craft. Each bag only needs a small amount, but I can't go out and buy 6 to 8 leaves of mint or a teaspoon of cardamom seeds. I'd have to buy like a normal amount in a jar and likely waste most of them if I don't like the blend or just don't have the patience to hand make a tea bag whenever I want a hot drink. So, sorry guys, I'm not going to try this one out properly. I do think it's an interesting idea, and I might have tried it if they gave us enough material to make multiple bags at once, but I don't want to add more expense, waste, and stress to what is already a hectic time of year. For those that don't know, Mind is a box that you receive direct to your door when you donate £8 a month or more to the mental health charity Mind. I feel bad giving negative reviews of these boxes, as Mind is a great charity to support and I don't want to discourage anyone from giving to them. And maybe my Grinchy Christmas spirit might have tainted this box even more, but I don't see the value here. I really think we should be able to make more than one bag, even if they provided cheaper refillable tea bags. The booklet included does say that coffee filters make a good alternative once you've used the muslin cloths, so why not include 10 coffee filters instead? The booklet also says that you could make your own tea blend and then turn that into tea bags and give them to friends, but the thought of gifting someone a single tea bag is kind of ridiculous. Now, I'm very aware that I can't claim to have fully tested this box, but overall, I would prefer maybe having 4 or 5 cheaper tea bags to fill than one square of cloth which would need to be filled and then cleaned between each cup of tea. Now, there are positives. This is definitely not a craft that I've tried before, so it would encourage me to try something different. The recipes that were included were pretty varied, so you're likely to have at least one that suits you, and a cup of tea is a perfect way to relax, so it's on theme. And of course, this is a charity box, so I'm not expecting to get value for money. I want the charity to keep a majority of what I send them. Mind is a great charity with a cause that's close to my heart, but I'm still going to give my honest opinion of the boxes themselves. This box was just not my cup of tea, but let me know your thoughts in the comments, and if enough of you want me to try it out, I will consider it. I hope you all had a great Christmas and a Happy New Year, and I'll see you in the next one.